The power of meditation. Why should you watch this video? Have you ever felt lost in your thoughts, trapped in a cycle of anxiety, regret, or fear? What if I told you that there is a hidden power within you, one that can change, one that can bring peace, clarity, and strength beyond imaginations? This story is not just about imagination. This story is not about meditation, but about a mysterious journey that reveals its true power. Watch till the end, and you might just unlock a secret that could change your life forever. The Restless Warrior. Long ago, in a kingdom of Kandhar, there was a renowned warrior named Arjun, feared by his enemies and respected by his people. He had won countless battles, but despite his victories, peace eluded him. Every night he would wake up drenched in sweat, haunted by visions of war, blood, and crisis of fallen. No amount of wealth or power could silence the storm within his mind. One day, an old monk arrived in the city, speaking of incident practice that could bring peace even to the most troubled soul. Arjun, desperate for relief, sought him out. I have fought battle outside, but I cannot within battle within, Arjun confessed. Can you so-called meditation cure that torment? The monk smiled and replied, come with me and you will find the answers yourself. The monk led Arjun deep in the mountains, a place feared by many, the forbidden forest. It was said that those who entered either never returned or embraced as completely different beings. Why here? Arjun asked the dripper for dripping his sword. Because true wisdom is found in silence, the monk replied. For 7 days you must sit in this forest alone, without speaking, without moving unnecessarily. Just watch your breath and observe your thoughts. That sounds easy, Arjun scoffed. Then let's see how it truly is, the monk said, disappearing in the shadow, leaving Arjun alone. The first few hours were simple. Arjun sat with his back against an old tree, listening to the sound of forest. But soon the silence became unbearable. His mind was like an untamed beast. Memories of war, betrayal, and pain flooded in his body. Etched his thoughts, streamed at him to run. This is nonsense. He shouted, stand up, but a strange voice echoed in his head. If you run from your own mind, where will you go? He froze. Was that my thoughts are something else? Determined, he sat back down and closed his eyes. On the third night, things became worse. As he meditated, he felt a present stark shadow cycling him. He saw himself in a battle, but this time he was the one being struck down. He gasped, his heart pounding. Was he dreaming, or was something playing trick on him? Then the monk voice echoed in his mind. Do not fight your thoughts, observe. Was taking a deep breath, Arjun did as he was told. He let the visions come, but instead of reacting, he watched, and something miracles happened. The visions began to fade, losing their power over him. By the 7th day, something within Arjun had changed. He was no longer restless. The nightmares had lost their grip on him. Instead of fear, he felt clarity instead of anger. He felt acceptance. The monk returned and found Arjun sitting with a peaceful smile. What have you learned? The monk asked. That the mind is like a battlefield, Arjun replied. The more you fight it, the worse it gets. But if you observe it, it loses its power over you. The monk nodded. That it is true power of meditation. It was not about controlling the mind, it is about freely. Moral of the story. True strength is conquering other, but is conquering oneself. Meditation is not a escape, it is path of true freedom. Guys, please subscribe my channel for next video. Thanks for watching.